So well, this is a keyboard of laptop, and you can see some of the objects to take out. I want to take out some keys from this keyboard, and for this I using certain sharp objects. This is the key of a car. Then this is a knife. This is a nail cutter. This is an old screwdriver. This is the key of bike, and I also used a coin. So we begin with the coin. We take the coin like this, and we are going to insert the key that we want to take out. So we simply lift like this. So this coin is very easy for taking the key from the keyboard. And now I take a knife. This is not very much sharp, so don't worry. After that, I'm going to lift the K key like this. I'm going to lift this up. You can see that. So this is the way I can take out this key from the keyboard using knife. Now I take a back key, and here also I am going to take out a key. I am now doing it in N key. I simply lift this like this, or I'll show you how to take the B key. Simply lift the side and you can take it out. So this is the way we can take out the key in a computer or PC using this back key. Now I will take you an old screwdriver, and here also I am going to lift one key up. This is the J key, and I am going to insert like this, and we can easily remove it like this. So this is the way we must take out the key using a screwdriver. Now I will take a key of my car, and here also I am going to lift a key. So here I am going to show you the L key. I simply insert like this, and I am simply lifting it up. So you can see here the key have been coming out. Now finally I will take a nail cutter, and in this nail cutter you must simply take the nail cutter like this, and we must use this area, or we must use this part of the nail cutter, and I am going to lift a key. I am going to lift this key. For this I simply put my nail cutter like this, and I lift like this, and you can see that it is easily, the key have been easily removed using the nail cutter. So I think the nail cutter is very much better for this taking out the key from keyboard. Hope you enjoy this video. For more videos like this, subscribe our channel Engineers Well Online, and you know that this keyboard is completely dirty, and how to clean this keyboard, that we will show you in our next video. So don't forget to subscribe and watch out our more videos. Thank you.